fantastic trailer. I mean, I really loved it, and I think both the girl and the boy are looking really amazing. Subhash ji had launched Jackie and gave us such a huge star in Jackie, and it's really wonderful to see that now his son is being launched, and it gives me great pride and great pleasure to present Tiger to all of you. I believe that he's the new superstar on the horizon. I truly believe that, and I think that he has a lot of potential to be, the topmost star of this country.
Actually, I'm very envious of Sajid and Sabir that they launched him, because I feel he is not an actor or superstar or son of Jackie. He is my son, and I feel today that my son has been launched. Emotionally, I'm very strongly feeling it, because I'm envious for one reason professionally, because I sent 21,000 rupees check when he was born, and I signed him 20 years back over there. But you know how Sajid is, he knows how to encash things.
Sir, star ke liye rukna padta hai.
And I'm sure after looking at the trailer, we are all proud, and we see that their superstar is born today.
बोलने को ज्यादा क्या बोलूं, बेटा है, अपनी बच्ची है, बेटा है मेरा, भारी काम किया, मेरे को तो अच्छा लगा. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming, and thanks Sajid for taking care of my son like your own. And I don't know how to say much. Thank you.
Very big thank you, Sajid. You've looked after Tiger like your own child. This entire crew and the cast who've supported him. I just wanted to say I'm so proud of my son. Tiger, you're really, really the virtuous son that the Gita talks about. I love you.
It's very important to me and my family and my new family here. So thank you so much. And Amir sir, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today and for your valuable time. Sir, I wasn't always keen on becoming an actor, honestly speaking. Growing up, I was into sports, all kinds of sports, ranging from football, martial arts, gymnastics. But acting was always at the back of my mind. It was always there inside somewhere, but I wasn't too keen. It wasn't my first choice. See, physically, I think I'm quite gifted with my martial arts, my gymnastics. I'm a fair dancer. So how can I bring that into the industry? And basically, I got Heropanti, which is allowing me to, apply these skills. Thankfully, the script allowed me to use these skills. Yeah, I got the chance to bring in my physicality into this role, and that's why I'm here.
While your growing up years, who inspired you more, Amir or your father?
None of them actually. Bruce Lee and Michael Jackson were my inspirations. She's first of all, I just like to say that she's a fantastic actress, and she's been more than a co-actor. She's been a friend, and she's been just so helpful. I'm not saying she's my senior or anything, but once you see the movie, you won't understand how she's done what she has. I mean, she doesn't look like a newcomer at all. She looks like a veteran actress.
मेरा पहला दिन बाबा को टेंशन था. मैं सो रहा था. दूसरे जब रिलीज हुई तो वीर सांघवी साहब और रौफ अहमद साहब आए थे. दोपहर का टाइम था. मुझे उठाया, बोले आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज हुई है और आप सो रहे. तो मैं क्या कर लेता. निकल गया, गोली निकल गया. सॉरी
आमिर, अब मेरा पहला दिन, आई रिमेम्बर जो हम लोग कयामत से कयामत तक मुहूर्त जब था, तो सी रॉक होटल हुआ करता था, वहां पर था, और राज जी और कृष्णा जी आए थे क्लैप देने के लिए. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी मेमोरेबल डे फॉर मी व्हेन राज जी एंड कृष्णा जी हैड कम टू ब्लेस द फिल्म एंड टू गिव द क्लैप. या
आपके लिए आपका फ्राइडे ज्यादा नर्वस करने वाला था या टाइगर का फ्राइडे?
मालूम नहीं पड़ते. I'm sorry, मालूम ही नहीं एक्चुअली. अभी तक हिट ही नहीं हुआ है मेरे को कि हीरो बहुत. I'm sorry. I think थोड़ा तो नर्वसनेस रहता ही है. बच्चे का एग्जाम रहता है, रिजल्ट आने वाला होता है वगैरह वगैरह, तो उतना तो नॉर्मल है सबके लिए.
Jackie, so this time you will not be sleeping on the Friday when.
क्या मालूम, रात को देखता हूँ.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.